In this video, let us understand how to make online quiz program. So it's a web application project. Once you learn this, once you build the whole applications, you can able to take the quiz, like no user can able to take the quiz. So here we'll show the demo in asp.NET with C# and backend SQL Server. So the complete video is to teach you like how you can make the project. So you can also learn how to make online quiz program, what are the modules you need to create and how each module, what are the options should be there in each module, all will be explained in this video. So we all know quiz is also one good concept. So multiple subject, multiple quizzes can be created. So if you are doing any computer science course and you need to do a project, online quiz program is also one such a title. You can do this project because it's a good idea. Here you can create a multiple quiz sessions and where user can log in and he can take the quiz. So the total idea is to like how you can make this program. Fine, let's understand step by step. First we'll go to the modules. What are the modules you need to make a quiz are required? How do you make the modules? What modules is required? And in each module, what are the options we need to provide? That we'll discuss first. So as an online project, quiz is basically questions actually. You need to create the questions. Therefore, you can create a one admin part. So admin can log in, you can go to main page. So here you can select the quiz type or quiz programs. Okay, quiz program. So what is the program name? So you want to make a Java quiz, you can enter Java quiz and what other things will be covered in this. If you want to make a VB quiz, if you want to make a science quiz, what is the name of the quiz? That is the thing. Once that is done, you can enter the question entry. Question entry. So you need to enter the questions. So for that, you require a interface. So what is the interface? So here is the question number. Then what is the question? So that you need to enter first answer, second answer, third and fourth. And what is the correct answer? So all you need to feed in. Therefore you need to write the program here. So after entering the data, when you click save, the data has to be saved. For that we have to learn like how to write the code. That is what very important. Then question list, what are the questions entered? So any given time you can able to see the list. So that list has to come. Now once the questions are ready, so on the other side the user or the student, so let's take as a student, okay, they need to sign up. Then they need to log in. Then they can take the test, okay, take quiz. So the questions which is already entered, they'll appear, they need to answer it, answer the quiz, then they need to get the result. They'll get the result. On the other side, here we can have a student list, who are the student signed up, that list has to come, so therefore that is a list. And then what is the result, okay, quiz result. Here admin can also see that overall take the test and what is the result. So that way this is a basic level and we can keep on enhance this to make it a different level, or you can make it to professional level, all possible. But at least basic thing for entry level you need to this much. Let's see the demo how the whole thing works. We'll show the demo. Then you'll get a much more clarity on this, how the whole thing works. So probably you need to write down the design, then you need to write the whole program. This you can write it in asp.NET or PHP or in Java, JSP or even in Python, or you can use any other framework to write the whole program. But once you should know the design, then easy for you to write the program. So if you are coming first time, please subscribe to our channel, and also for more videos you right click on the Highblix tutorials and then open in the new tab. When you open in the new tab, you can see that a lot of project related videos. So watch few videos so if you want to do a project, because in each video we provide some of the other good concept. So you if you combine all the concepts, then you can make a very good project. Therefore keep watch more videos, then select the good title, which one you feel, because every title is good, but finally you need to decide which is the good project for you. Therefore based on that, after watching the few videos, you can finalize the title and then start. And also if you're looking for the job, do the whole project yourself, gain the experience. That experience is very good. In our channel we have like viva questions, and also we teach you like how you can do the things step by step. Therefore whenever time, so come back here and then keep learn. So now we'll move on. So we'll go to Visual Studio. So here I open the project in Visual Studio. This is online quiz. and here are the files. Right, so first file is a default file, so there is a first file which will run. So this is the file, and here you can see that there is some picture, on the left side there is one more picture, and we have some text here and some background color, and all is designed. Okay, once you design, you will have a corresponding HTML code. This automatically generated, and in some cases, for example, let's say student login, here once you design this, if you see the HTML code, the code is already generated here. Then you need to write the C# code. So if you open another file which is the .cs extension, so here we need to write the code. Okay, so here we can see that we are using to import using system.data.sql client, because this is important in order to work with the backend, and system.windows.forms, this namespace is required if you want to use the message box. And here is the connection string, and we have separate videos like how to generate the connection string. Please watch them, and you can also learn how to create a login page and all. So there the code is explained step by step, so therefore please watch the other videos too. And here is the main page, so the links are provided. When you click this, it should go to the corresponding pages. And here is the server explorer. If you go to view menu, then server explorer, you can able to see the database, and then you can able to see all the tables in the server explorer. Right, so server explorer and the solution explorer, these two are very important. Solution explorer will show you all the files in the project, and server explorer will give you all the tables, what are the tables are there in the project, and you need to learn like how to create all these tables. For example, if you want to see the design, if you say open table definition, so here you'll have the design which will have a column name and the corresponding data type. So this is the columns and this is the corresponding data types. And if you want to see the data, if I right click here, so what are the questions already entered, that we can able to see it here. But we have a program, we have a page to enter the question also. I'll show you that. Fine. So if you're not yet running, so okay, we'll run the project now. So here is the option to run the project. So we can select the project here and we can run. Now we'll take to the main page. So it will open in the browser. So this is the local address. So now it's running at this particular port. So you can redesign whatever way you want. You can put different picture, text on the first page. So then we go to the admin login or student login. So the two options are provided here, admin and the student module. So if you go to admin, so you need to log in with admin credentials. Fine. So now you can see these are the options which are provided in the admin. So we can enter the qualifications of the student, what qualification they are holding, and once you enter the data, if you go to list, that will show the list. What are the entries already done? The list will come here. Same way profession, then corresponding list. So what are the different professions owned by the users actually? Then the quiz name and the corresponding list. So here is GK001 is a quiz, but you can create multiple quizzes here. So for example, you want to create biology quiz, you want to create a coronavirus quiz. So what you want to create, you can give the quiz name here. Then this is important, the question entry. So here you select the question name. So which quiz it is, you need to select, and what is the question number, and then what is the question that you need to type here. Correct answer, A answer, B, C answer, D answer, then the correct answer. Then you have to say this is the question bank. Okay, you have to make the question bank ready from the admin side. So then that FAQ is a frequently asked questions. If a user asks some questions, that is you can enter it here. So therefore user know like what are the things they are aware of with to use this particular site. Then the student list, overall signed up, that list will come here. Then the quiz result. So overall taken that quiz and what is their score and all will be shown in this particular result. So if the different batches taken that quizzes, so therefore you can create a batches or quiz name over here, and then the result can be obtained here. So these are the options which are provided in the admin. Now we go to client. So copy the main address and then open one more tab, press enter key. Now we can come back to main page, then continue here. We go to student login. So we can sign up here first, after that we can log in. Now the password. Okay, so the password is not correct. Right, it's showing that if the password is not correct. Okay, type the correct password, then log in, it logs in. Then you have a take quiz, so here you can take the quiz. So here only one quiz actually, therefore you can create a multiple quiz from the admin side. So here is the quiz name details. If you create a multiple quiz, the list will come here. Okay, then we have only one GK1001. Let's take that quiz. So you need to answer. Following is not an input device. You read all these things and then you have to save this. Fine. So you can choose Z, Flutter is not an input device, then you can go to next one. Which of the following are types of computer hardware? So hardware, processor is hardware, so okay, C. Computer's main circuit board is called, so it's a motherboard again, C. Which of the following software is used to view web pages? Fine. So Chrome you are going to use, so therefore you can say A. Rest of them are different. Which is the popular mobile operating system? So A, Android, because the maximum users are used the Android. So then, so we can finally submit this. So now if I go to the result, so you can see that you have scored the 4 marks. Then here is the FAQ list, any FAQ question answers, and you can change the password. On the other side here you can come back to quiz result, and if you go to result, so it will show the score. So if the multiple people are taken the quiz and they answer it, all the people list will come. So whoever score max, they will come on the top. Right. So therefore this is how the whole project has to work. So that's working. So you need to write all this program maybe in ASP.NET or in Java or in PHP or in Python. So keep trying, keep learn. And if you have any doubt, let me know what doubts or what projects you are looking for. So we'll keep make videos. So in the next video, we'll try to bring out new videos. Fine. So and also we'll bring you series like how you can make, how you can write all the whole project step by step, because that take very long time. But we'll teach you that probably in a short time in future, like then you can learn that. We already have that kind of project program for VB.NET and C#. So we'll bring it for ASP.NET. Fine. Thank you.